Today we chase tea through the clouds.
Alishan Oolong, clean, floral, and sweet.
Village, where high mountain tea took off.
Look at these lines, like a living map.
您好，王师傅吗？是的，欢迎。
We're invited to see how oolong is made.
Slow steps don't bruise the leaves.
It's careful, repetitive, almost meditative.
Every handful matters.
First, let the leaves rest. They watch scent like it's a clock. A little agitation wakes the flavor.
This is where fragrance starts.
我们这样人化茶叶是为了破坏居乳开始发酵。
Rolling shapes the leaf and the brew.
From flat leaf to tight little
Like bread out of the oven.
Alishan light changes every minute. Time to taste what we helped pick.
Tiny cups, huge fragrance.
Floral, creamy, and so clean.
This color is pure mountain.
时间套了，红茶需要泡大约1分钟，这样口感才会熟褐不苦涩。
Same leaves, new story each round.
We sleep in tea air tonight.
Because dawn is the secret ingredient.
It's freezing, and it feels perfect.
This is why people fall in love with Alishan.
Tea grows where the sky touches land.
Morning dew, nature's first rinse.
Drink it here, and you taste the mountain.
The fog is our morning companion.
摸摸看，很柔软，一点也不脆。
We pick only what the plant can spare.
Everyone has their own rhythm. One second it'll clear, next, pure cloud. Even roadside stops here taste like craft. Warm the cups, wake up the porcelain.
Same tools, different sky. These little pearls hold a whole season.
warmth travels all the way down.
Tea country is also hiking country.
Simple food, perfect with oolong.
Now the real work begins.
High mountain roads, slow and steady.
Back to the workshop. Time sensitive.
Thin layer, so every leaf breathes.
Covered. It feels like a quiet laboratory.
They track each batch like a diary. Tossing bruises edges, just enough.
Contrast is flavor in progress.
Yes, tea has a sound.
Rolling starts the signature shape.
Tight wrap, tight pearls.
Roll, rest, roll again and again.
It smells like orchids in warm air.
They're forming little green gems.
Heat stops oxidation right on cue. Experience is the best thermometer.
Now the leaves exhale.
They taste constantly, tiny corrections.
Same plant, two different worlds.
Sorting makes every steep consistent.
It's patience in miniature.
The mountain finally shows its face.
Every sign here feels like a tea invitation.
Seal tight, so aroma survives the journey.
Details matter, even at the end.
Okay, this is the moment.
Richer color, deeper roast.
Sweet aftertaste, and it keeps coming back.
Weather shifts fast up here.
Up here, you learn to move with rate. 快下雨了，兔颈盖起来。
好的，这个脚再压一下。
Perfect excuse for another cup.
Warm pot, warm heart.
Same leaves, different steep.
fairness picture, everyone gets the same.
And then the mountain breathes again.
Everything looks freshly washed.
Rain brings out a greener scent.
This is Alishan's postcard, but real.
It's life.
Same mountain, many personalities.
Some darker, some greener. Each has a place.
Okay, which one is the deeper roast?
先闻一下香气，然后再慢慢弹熟。
Smell first, then let it sit on your tongue.
The mountain tucks itself in.
Tomorrow, the tea sunrise route.
Whew. It's colder than yesterday. Whew.
This is the payoff. Tea grows at the border of sky.
It's sweet, like a clean finish.
From bush to cup, in one mountain breath. They care for the plant like family.
Not every leaf becomes great tea.
In the mountains, you move with respect.
Best souvenir, the story inside.
Alishan in a tin.
Leaving the clouds feels weird.
The air warms with every kilometer.
One last look at tea country.
How do you capture a scent on video?
I can still smell the fog. One cup to remember it all.
A quick rinse, then the real steep.
They open up like tiny green springs.
Just a few seconds.
This is the mountain's first answer. Smell comes before sip.
Orchid and a hint of cream.
Sweet, clean, no bitterness.
Taste.
is the fog.
Round 2, deeper.
Look, whole leaves.
Small angles, big difference.
Okay, still learning.
Last light, last sip outside. If you could bottle this air, tea isn't just a drink here.
We ate, we climbed, we learned, we tasted.
This isn't just tea. It's a memory.
The village gets quiet early.
One last thank you to the mountain.
谢谢 see you again.
下次见，好，请天空神。
很好，那一起来放。来。
Hear that? That's the mountain.
Time to go back down.
Clouds stay up there.
But the aroma comes with me.
Back through Fenjipu, like rewinding.
I'm already craving another cup.
Let's taste it again, off the mountain.
Same method, different air.
It's still sweet, but the fog is missing.
That's why travel flavors everything.
Look at the leaves, whole and generous.
Alishan Oolong is a place you can drink.
If you visit Alishan, drink tea where it grows.
Tell me your favorite tea in the comments.
See you on the next journey.
Until